He's Wiley. He likes carrots. Can I help you? Can I give you some? Here. Good boy. Good boy, Wiley. Good boy. You want me to get it yourself? Okay. Good boy. Look at that cute face. Yeah. Can I give you one? You want to get it yourself? Okay. He prefers self-serve. Okay, come on. You're handsome. Good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. Some more? Yeah, good boy. Yeah. A little bit more? You love your carrots. What a handsome man you are. That's a good boy. Here, how about if I put a couple right here? There. Those are for you. That's a good boy, Wiley. Yay! Eating your treats. Okay, I'll leave you alone now, right?